guys, today I'm gonna play Minecraft PE Pocket Edition. It has a new update. 0.14.0. Oh yay, my skin is Deadpool. There was an arrow. Yay. Join. Yes. Are you kidding? Dun 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 dun. Why is he sad? Dun, dun. How did I get out? I got out. Look. This is gonna take forever. $130. Okay, I need to go back. He's still sad. Chica, cheer up. It's a game. It's not like you're gonna die. Will you die in the game or you respawn? Hurry up, start. Oh, it's gonna start in 1 minute. Guys, this is taking up time. It's already 2:45. Hurry up. I'm going straight. There's an enchantment table. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yes, there's a chest right in front of me. Yes. Oh no, why did I do that? Go, 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 go. No. Yes. Yes. I need to run. Pretend like I have nothing in my hand. Go, run. What is he doing? Is he so dumb? What? Oh no, he's already killing someone. Oh no, I need to run. Someone just died. Run. Okay, I should go. Steve died? I need to run, people. This is guest finds. What is this lead up to? No, go, go, go. There has to be a chest up here. No one's following us. Good. 13 survivors left. Where am I going? No! Yes. Yes. This is cool. No one will know I'm up here. I almost fell. Oh my god. Why isn't there a chest up here? Oh, I fell. Dang it. No. 6 minutes. Oh god. No. God. Oh god. What's this? Chest. Dang it, I already have pants. Do you think someone already went in that chest? There's a chest. Oh! Dun dun dun! I need all of this. Wait. Dun. Done. What can I craft? Nothing. I can craft a shear. Shear. Craft. I forgot to press craft. Ooh, look at Deadpool. Deadpool. I have shears now, people. Oh my god. I gotta stay up here. I gotta stay up here, people. No. I don't think he saw me. I need to run. I need to run. I need to run. Oh god. Take it. Take the stuff you need. Don't kill me. Oh no, why? Oh, those are vines. I'm like, and then I'm like, why am I falling so slow? I saw a chest. Oh god! Why? Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Oh god, there's someone right there. I need to run. Hope he doesn't see me. There's a chest. I knew it. Whoa. Oh wait, no. I need to put the stuff on. Leggings. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, run. Wait, no, I should use my axe. People. Is there seriously another way to come in here? Oh god. Yes! I made it. It's in the furnace. No! No. No, no, no. Please spawn back in the game. Please spawn back in the game. Please spawn back in the game. Please spawn. No! I was right in the middle of the game. Okay, guys. That sucks. Oh yeah, thought that was an Enderman. Slime blocks. Let me go on my bouncy house. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I tried to spawn a witch, but I can't. See, I can't spawn a witch. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye.